Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss Marzano 6-step vocabulary instructions. Okay? So there are 6 steps. One is explain, restate, show, engage, discuss and apply. These are the 6 stages. We'll go one by one. First step is teacher should provide a description, explanation or example of the new term, not just the definition, from the book. So you have to suppose I have taken the topic limits and continuity to explain this vocabulary. So first we have to define, then we have to say what is the limit according to the math. Then you have to give an world example, practical example, real world. Suppose you are going near to the cage of the bird. You are almost you are touching it, but you are not going inside to it. Almost there. Suppose you are going for the cage of the lion den or tiger den. If you are going there, also you are going near to it. You are almost there, but you are not there. So that means it should be very simple form. Here, when I went for observation, I have seen that one of the English teacher, the teacher was explaining the noun, pronoun, verb, this all. She was explaining. You see, noun means any name, pronoun means word in place of noun, adjective, quality. It was so simple that all the students are getting and they are giving example about it. The second step says restate. The student restate the meaning in their own word. Then listen to them, what they say. And please, when tense is there, you can use the word approach. Multiple different words, almost there. These are all means the same. When they are saying, listen to them and correct them and give the example. 1.99 tends to 2. It is almost 2 but not 2. That is the limit of the definition. They explain in their own words. Just listen. If you want to add up. Otherwise that is good. Step 3. Show the student create non-linguistic representation. That means there should not be word. It should be a picture. It should be a symbol. It can be a graph or any other mean of graphical, any mean of non-linguistic application. For example, give the graph y equal to 1 by x and ask them to take the points x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. When x equal to 0, y tends to infinity, what will be the graph? And shade the region in this region. Like that, you can give examples so that it can be understood. Non-linguistic representation. Next comes the engagement. Engage the students in activity that deepen the understanding of the term. That means the student compare, classify and connect the new word with other concepts. For example, here limits is there, define the limit, and continuity. What is the link between limits and continuity? How it is a little bit more. Then about the derivative of a function. These are the things. Left hand limit exists, right hand limit exists, both exist and equal to f of a, then the limit. It depends the understanding. From limit they are going to continuity, from continuity they are going to derivative. Next comes the student discuss with them. That means this is cooperative learning. The student discuss with them, that is pure discussion and using the mathematical language in the concept. Mathematical sum, now they are using mathematical term. They are discussing the difference between the limits, what is continuity, are they related, and jump in the interval and discontinuity and type of the discontinuity, removal discontinuity, all that stuff they are discussing. And as a teacher, we have to take rounds and see where it is going. Where they are going wrong, we have to correct them. Otherwise, just listen and say high five, very good, move on. The last one is apply. Students play games or activity to reinforce the vocabulary. That we have to provide math vocabulary bingo they will be playing, or you can make the flash card. In the flash card, one flash card, you draw the diagram, the back of side they have to solve the problem, or flash card, write the problem, back they have to solve the problem, or ask them to explain the concept and give the time bound 1 minute. Who is going to complete in 1 minute? Give the definition and ask them, so explain this concept, explain what is limit, explain what is continuity, all that. And don't give the same one after the other. 1 minute you have to explain continuity, 1 minute you have to continuous discontinuity, why this is where it is discontinuity, it is removable or non-removable discontinuity. Excuse me. All the things, there are 6 steps we have to go one by one to improve the vocabulary of the student. Most of the student, they don't use math vocabulary. We have to force them to use. How we are forcing? Just by explaining and making them to use. Then slowly they will get acquainted with the new vocabulary and they will be using it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.